158881, heading on the 1951 South Western Railway service from Salisbury down to Romsey, via Southampton back to Romsey via Eastleigh, which is where we are now. So this train comes down to Romsey, turns right towards Redbridge, Southampton, comes here to Eastleigh and then back to Romsey, and it just does a loop before it goes either to Salisbury or Romsey. But this is 158881 doing it. 158881, or this will be a Romsey service via Chandler's Ford. This will call out only Chandler's Ford, then it will do Romsey.
We are very sorry for any delay that this may cause to your journey.
So this train does a left and calls at only Chandler's Ford, then Romsey. (158.881) is still doing it. 450.023 working the 1943 South Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo. 450, can't remember, and what is on the rear. This is the 1943 service from Portsmouth Harbour to London Waterloo, 450.025 and 023, I think it was. Yeah, that is heading in the wrong direction of platform 2, but it's going to join the correct line right now. And call at Winchester, Mitchell, Dover, Basingstoke, Fleet, Farnborough, Woking and Waterloo.